Okay, we are going to do our art project, and we are going to make our own train. Yeah, and you can use different color paint, whatever paint you have at your house, and just stamp it on. Look at that. Okay, now what's missing on our train? We need our wheels, don't we? Just like that on your train. And see the train that you made? That's really cool. I would love to see your trains that you guys make. So maybe your grown-up can take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see it. I would love that. So we'll get Ollie. I think he's getting up. Oh, Ollie. Did you have a good rest? You did? Good. I'm glad that you did. What were you dreaming? Did you have any dreams while you were sleeping? What? Ollie dreamt that he was a train conductor and you were driving a train and it went really fast, huh? Yes.